welcome back to my channel. Today we are just doing another unboxing from Apothecary at Home. This month was the March box, which was Herbal Beauty, and I do want to kind of touch base, like I always do, on the box topic before we get into the unboxing. So, now when we talk about herbal beauty, we don't necessarily mean physical beauty or physical appearance. What it means is herbs that you would use for skin health, hair health, nail health, things like that. So things that will aid in growth, health, strength, longevity, all of that good stuff. So it doesn't really focus on like medicine making, or not. So it doesn't focus on makeup making. What it focuses on, the herbal, maybe tonics or body oils. They're just herbs that would aid in skin, hair, and nail health, not actual like makeup or beauty or nail polish or things like that. We did not get 2 medicine making projects this month for our projects. We actually got quite a few. So we got a few different recipes for skin health, skin oil, nail oil, things like that. So we just quit talking because I know I talk a lot, and let's go ahead and get into the video, and I will see you when you guys return. As you can see, this month we will be working with Herbal Beauty, and next month it does look like we will be studying womb wellness. Each subscription box does come with a guide, and you do have the choice of making it either PDF format, so it's emailed to you, or paper format, so it will be sent in the box. If you are interested in grabbing your own box, especially the one for next month, it does look like they have a few more spots open. I do have a special discount code, which will be below, but it is Eclectic 15, and it will get you 15% off of your first box. As always, we get a pack of loose leaf tea from the Loose Leaf Tea Company. This month we got Hair Stimulation, which has organic peppermint, horsetail, rosemary, sage, nettle, and oat straw. Like always, we got our 2 4-ounce glass jars. This month they came as amber rather than clear, so I thought that was pretty cool. And of course, our 2 amber glass dropper bottles for this month's projects. And like always with our jars and dropper bottles, we also get 2 muslin bags to strain our macerations at the end of the process. This month's surprise gift came from Junebug Essentials. It was a natural and plant-based chapstick. This one smells like lavender and makes my lips feel super soft and smooth, so definitely go check them out. And of course we get our labels so we can name and date our creations and projects for the month. And like always, we do get our 2 hand-drawn pictures from the founder's mother, Virgie. This month we did get horsetail and rosemary. First up, we have rosemary, also known as Rosmarinus officialis. I probably butchered that, but it's a funny word. Next up, we have horsetail, also known as Equisetum arvens, which also I probably butchered. Usually with every box we do get a pack of seeds. This month we did get a pack of rosemary seeds, so I will be planting them in my window planter I have going. Speaking of rosemary, the first herb out of our box today is 2 ounces of rosemary herb. Medicinally, rosemary could be used to clear stagnant depression, but in this case we would be focusing on its ability to stimulate hair follicles and aid in hair growth. Magically, you'd want to use rosemary for cleansing, protection, healing, and memory improvement. The next herb we have was our surprise herb, and it was 1 ounce of oat straw. Medicinally, oat straw can be used to relieve stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also be used to stimulate blood flow. Magically, oat straw can be used for money, fertility, and inner peace workings. The last herb up was 2 ounces of horsetail. Medicinally, horsetail can be used for anything involving hair, skin, and nails due to its high silica content. And magically, horsetail can be used in fertility spells and fertility workings. And like always, we will finish this off with the health disclaimer that, of course, comes in every box. You do want to take a read if it is your first box, but this is my 3rd or 4th one, so I already know what it says. So welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick unboxing. So I will be trying some of these recipes that Apothecary at Home has provided us. That is all for today's video and this month's unboxing. I will try and record some of the recipes I make from this month's supplies, but if you are still on the lookout or waiting for last month's project making supplies, I will be posting them here shortly. I am actually putting them in their little dropper bottles today, as today has been a full month since I made them. So you will want to hit that bell to catch those videos. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I will catch you on the next one, and I hope you have a good day. So, bye!
Sem perceber, sobre eles e talvez seja melhor nem dizer. Eu vim lá da zona oeste, ela é menina da